time, and I'm coming back with my P-Touch labeler. So let's we're gonna clear this out. So then I'm gonna press OK. Now how you make your labels. So I'm gonna make some labels. Let's see. You can do labels. I can do full or auto, as in length. I'm gonna set it for auto, and then you hit OK. And now this is where I write it at. But first, if you want, you can change your font. So you push the fonts, and these are all the fonts that they have. So it shows you over here how it looks. Okay, so I want to go over. Let's see if I can go over. Okay, so because of the font line, you want to take this over. That's what I was doing wrong. Well, this is the font, this is the size, this is the width, and the style. So if you want to change this, you do the arrow this way. So I love the way that A is. It's crazy. But you go this way, and it'll change all the different letters, if you can see it. I think I'm going to keep that. And then it has like the size. I'm going to keep it there. And then it has like the width. I'm going to leave it there. And the style. You can get bold. You can do without the inside being done. You can have the shadow in the back or in the front. But I'm just going to do normal. So okay, so I like all of that. So what I'm going to put is so I'm going to put sewing cord, and then what you want, you can push symbols you want. So let's see what they have. So these are punctuations, back arrow, mathematics, current units, numbers, and then they have pictures. So I'm gonna go with pictures and see what they have. So you hit OK, and these are all the pictures that they have. They have like baby feet. They have emojis, symbols, hearts. Okay, so that's all that they have. So what I'm gonna put is a heart emoji. And then as you can see, the heart is on that last side. So I'm just gonna leave that there, and I'm gonna show you guys how to print it. So when you go to print, you just put print, text too high. Oh, I changed the text, so let me see. Let's see, let's go back to size. And I'm going to go down to, let's see, about 24. Okay, print. Okay, now it asks you quantity, so you can print out more than one copy. But for this video, I'm just going to print out one. So you'll hit, so it's already on one, so you'll hit print. And then it comes out on this side, and then you cut. And here it is. So when I close it up on my sewing cord, I like to close it kind of like this, and then kind of take it back, like bend it back on there, because it's really sticky once you peel it. So that you could just, so you can see this. under the cord. So now I'm going to show you guys how not to use up so much of this. So printed cord, I'm going to turn it this way. And remember, remember you have that shift button so you can capitalize. Next, I'll put printing cord for the printer, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna space it twice, and then I'm gonna put what other cord I need done. Okay, so now this is what I want. I just got two things because I can't remember other cords that I needed. But I know definitely the TV cord. I know definitely so let's print it. And of course it'll tell you if you want one copy or two, and I only want one. You can get up to, I think, you can do a lot of copies. I don't know what it goes up to, but you can do a lot. So I'm gonna print. And this is how it's coming out. And then all you want to do is, and then I think you can push this feed button to see what you printed, if you want to print another one, and it shows you here like how much it be on each end. So I'm going to cut it, and there it is. So I'll cut it in the middle here and put the cord here and clamp it right there, so it'll be hanging off like that. And I did this side like this, so it'll be hanging in here. So yeah, I love this machine. I have been making so many labels off of it. It's not even funny. This is a great investment, and because I found it so cheap, I gotta clean this thing off. I just been making a lot of stuff with it, and it's cool. But I want to show you guys how to put it on the thing. So let's go to clearing this. Okay, so I'm gonna go escape, and I'm gonna go clear, and then I'm gonna go text only. So I'm gonna push OK, and then what you want to do is I'll put mom cord. Okay, and then I'm just going to, as you can see, I just put mom cord. It don't have to be perfect. And then I'm gonna print, and I'm gonna print one, and then it comes out, cut it. Now I'm gonna show you. Now here it is, mom cord, and here's my mother's phone cord. So what I'm gonna do is, because around here, I don't know if you guys at your house, people steal cords. So look, this has two, it's sliced down the middle. So you pull off one side like that, and then you peel off the other side like that, and then you want to take it, and I started off like that, and it's some good turn tape. And there you have it. That's your cord. I mean, your tape onto your cord, and you can't replace it. Somebody can peel it off, but yeah. So that is the end of this video. You guys let me know how you like it. Like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up these videos, and as always, always, always have a blessed day or night. Bye.